Surangana, media friends from Hambai, Europe, some laws or Roman Islamic. Some tini TSF Ningai, some press meet Asman Komansi. Ini Ansakpa, Amal Jamatia, General Secretary, the President Confederation, Tian Lagatongo, and President, Mr. Samrat, the Joint Secretary, Mr. Venu, the Town and Police Committee, Vice President, Mr. Minister. So today press meet kami komasi. Talsa sekang sung TSF ningai sung 12-hour statewide strike up. Public only support Hamzakma a various student organization, social organization is support by. Sin is a movement. 12 hours is going success. Going back with someone. Sini Hamzakma they khak Hamzakma. They media are not good. So Hambaya for Tana Hamale, Nirox no coverage, Sini is a movement no. Hasigan and Niro Kuman Baganiro Hambai. Chung Sini strike, some successful candidates also. Government of state Tripura, Borok Taxadora, so no response. So main is me in movement. Roman student is Sengzagi family tackle. So, division wise, Suni Railington, they boni provocation, governor of the member Yafaka. Hyphen government law, Sini Koran Kanayan Bagay, some Banum has a 12-hour strike in Paul Kagani, Talsasaka, 28 August. Government law almost time. Sini movement, sini korang nak kena yang ke sembus dengan salah. Tiba, sini movement kota nak kena ni sembus salah lagi satu. Sini government nak bar-bar appeal thay. Hyphen borok tak sudah kena. Orang kebang ma student organization, social organization, borok semua support. Hyphen government takkan stream. Omo sini native indigenous people ni sini movement. This is not only a movement of native indigenous people of the state. I will request our brother of the Bengali community, brothers and sisters, to participate even in this movement. You all know the importance of language. Because we all have experiences. We have seen in the past the Basa Andalon. Why this movement took place? Because we all love our language, we all respect our language. So I appeal our Bengali brothers and sisters also to participate in this movement. You all also have sacrificed and know the grievances of the movement during the time of Basa Andalon. So we the native indigenous people also, to preserve our language, we are fighting for our rights for more than 50 years. So I want you all also to support it. I would like to appeal the government of Tripura and government of India to look into this matter. Why are we neglected? Why are our demand neglected? We question the government of India and government of Tripura. Boni bagay, sung appeal kay government no. Sini jo demand no. Seriously, sharing niya gani bagay. Sung talsa satang sini movement, sung 12-hour strike, simi dapat. Bus kang salah sung khakai ge sini teibu coba kotor unai. And we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings, NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in Tripura or Northeast state. For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of Tripura and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again.
আমরা টিএসএফের পক্ষ থেকে আজকে সামরিক সম্মেলন করছি আগরতলা প্রেস ক্লাবে। আমি সম্রাট দেববর্মা, টিএসএফ প্রেসিডেন্ট। আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছেন আমাদের সাধারণ সংগঠক শ্রী আমলে জমাতিয়া এবং আমাদের রয়েছেন জয়েন্ট সেক্রেটারি রেনু দেববর্মা এবং এদিকে রয়েছেন আমাদের টাউন কমিটির ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট মনীষ দেববর্মা। আপনারা দেখেছেন যে বিগত আগে এই ত্রিপুরা যে অপোজিশন পার্টি ত্রিপুরা মাঠা ও পার্টির আগামীকাল শনিবার 30 তারিখ এই ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের বনকে ডাক দিয়েছে। আমরা কেসের পক্ষ থেকে সাপোর্ট করি। কিসের জন্য সাপোর্ট করি? আমাদের ত্রিপুরার জন্য যে গত বছর থেকে আমাদের যে পিছিয়ে রয়েছে এর জন্য আমরা সাপোর্ট করছি আপনাদের।